Hey guys, Jose here. Welcome back to my channel. So let's see what my hair is looking like today. Okay, so I just want to say this is looking a lot better because normally when I comb my hair forward, I can still see through it down here, but up top it used to be very thin for me as well. So this is good. So I heard you guys when you said stop parting it in the same place because that's also contributing to the thinning. So I am going to move that part over. So thank you guys so much for the recommendations, because it seems like some of you are going through the same thing I'm going through. And for those of you that are not anemic, I don't think you understand the way our hair breaks. So people with anemia, it's like our hair will literally just disintegrate in our hands. We can be combing and the front of my hair used to just disintegrate right before my eyes, you know. I used to have a lot of hair on the floor. And no matter what I did, I just could not stop that from happening. I would take iron, I would take liquid iron, I would take, the blood builders, all the things that, most anemia channels say to take, the blackstrap molasses, all the things. And nothing was working for me. So I think I mentioned on my community page that I just started taking probiotics to heal my gut because I might have a leaky gut, and that's the reason why I'm not absorbing the nutrients that I'm supposed to be absorbing. So a couple of things: I'm taking Nutrafol, blood builder for my iron, and I'm also taking vitamin D3 plus K2, and I am starting to see some progress with that. So like I said, the probiotic I just started this week, and I take it in the morning on an empty stomach, and I'm going to see if that helps at all. The next thing that I'm also doing is I'm drinking 3 liters of water a day. I have a water app. I'll post it to the community page. Perfectly free. Nothing that I'm talking about in this video is sponsored. I no longer do sponsored videos on this channel because I don't really have a particular reason why I'm not doing it. I don't want any deadlines. I don't want anything, to feel like I have to promote something because I'm being paid to do it. So I have 2 jobs already. I don't need the sponsorship deals. They're nice, but they're also stressful. So I just don't need any extra added stress into my life, especially while I'm trying to rebuild my health. So yeah, so like I said, the IUD, I'm going on my 3rd month now of having it in, or getting close to my 3rd month. So with these other changes, I'm hoping that I can get back on track. And then guys, I don't know if I talked about it in any of my other videos, but I came in contact with peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts, so my mouth is still coming down from the swelling. And yeah, so that's why I'm kind of looking crazy, but I'm not gonna just not post because I'm experiencing an allergic reaction. I just need to just come on and talk about it. So all right, so here's what I'm looking like. So as my hair ages, I'm gonna have less and less movement. And as my hair ages, I then go in and I put it into a satin scrunchie. Got these off of Amazon. You guys recommended it to me. I was using the other hair ties, and that was definitely breaking my hair. So I am going to be outside with my kids at school. So I need to, put my hair back, and I'm gonna have a hat on to protect my skin from the sun. So I just tuck away my edges, and I pretty much just leave these other hairs just kind of sticking out. I'm trying not to do too much. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that as my hair is improving, I hope your hair is improving, and I hope some of the tips and tricks that I'm sharing is helping you in some way. All right, bye-bye.